Tina Gale here to show you your Shots of Life kit. The Shots of Life comes out every other month, so this is your January, February Shots of Life kit. It is jam-packed full of products for all your pocket page scrapbooking. But even more, it coordinates with your Flavors of the Month kit, so it is a perfect add-on to your Flavors of the Month as well. You'll receive 12 by 12 cut-apart patterned paper sheets, but they also have full designs on the back so that you could use them for regular scrapbooking or your traveler's notebook or so many other types of projects. You're also going to receive a wide variety of embellishments. So let's dig in and take a closer look at the January and February Shots of Life kit, starting with the paper. As we go through the papers, you're going to see that we have everything from snow and winter to Valentine's Day. So we have a little bit of birthday every day. So it's going to cover several months worth of scrapbooking for you. There are 9 patterned papers. They are cut aparts on one side and full designs on the back. So let's look at all of these. First up, from Simple Stories, we have Kissing Booth. This one is the 4x6 cut apart. And I love these. Even if you're not doing pocket scrapbooking, you can use these for embellishment and journaling or fussy cut some of the icons. You can also use the full background. So this side is a black and white striped. From Echo Park, Let's Party, we have a cut apart, and you can see there's some square ones, 4x6, and then even some of these little skinny ones, which are really fun to go alongside. You could have, you know, your 4x6 pocket, and then just, I would even cut that down just a little bit and have it kind of go over your photo or next to a photo. The back are these banners that say hooray, so it's ready for your birthday pages. Crepe Paper, La La Love, has 3x4, has a 4x6, and then these that are tags. These are really fun with your leftovers to create some greeting cards for your friends. The back is a red and pink brush stroke stripe. From Cartabella, Our House, we have the 3x4 cut apart. So everything from your house to things in your kitchen, a little kitty cat. So everything you could scrap about your home. The back is this fun whimsical mushroom on the blue. From Chamel, Head in the Clouds is the 3x4 cut apart. So again, this one's a whimsical little collection, but you also have these that are just journaling spots with flowers. So you could use that for anything as well as this one here. The back is this rainbow polka dot stripe on blue. Echo Park, I Am Mom is the 3x4 cut apart. Again, this one is so fun with all of the fun quotes about moms. Cool moms drive minivans. This mama is powered by coffee. The back is a black and white striped. From Jelly Bean Soup, You Make Me So Happy is the 3x4 cut apart. And there's also this one that's 4x6, and then 2 smaller ones. So I love how these companies are starting to do little odd sizes of cut aparts, more for embellishment that you could use on anything. The back is a diagonal print. It's a distress, and it's a blue. So hopefully those will show up. And then from Simple Stories, Freeze and Season, we have the 4x6 cut apart. Love this collection, love the pinks and the aquas, the little snowmen. The back looks like little snowballs in different colors on the minty green. And then we have the 3x4 cut apart, cute little penguin. And the back is this plaid design on the diagonal. So one more look at the patterned paper. Now on to the embellishments. For Jelly Bean Soup, You Make Me So Happy, you're going to get the coordinating label stickers. So there are some word labels, alphabets, tabs, a couple of little borders here. Super cute. Okay, let's go through the ephemera. So this is from the Cartabella Our House collection. These will vary, but you get half a pack of the ephemera. So these are the ones that I got. So there's some larger pieces. This one punches out, so it's a frame, or you could leave it like that all together. A little tag and labels. So again, these will vary, but you'll get a good representation here. Okay, love the beautiful soft colors in that collection. And then from Echo Park, Let's Party, you're going to get a third a pack of the ephemera for these pieces. So again, those will vary among the kits, but this is a good representation. Some of the embellishments that you would receive. From Simple Stories Kissing Booth, you're going to get a half a pack of the stickers, the puffy stickers. So these are the ones that I got. Love the little chocolate kiss there. Oh, missed a couple of tags on the Echo Park party. And then from Echo Park, I Am Mom, you're going to get half a pack of the enamel dots. So those will vary as well. Simple Stories Freeze and Season, you're going to get 2 sheets of the 4x6 stickers. So these are the ones that I got, are the little square ones and some labels and some words. And from our other Valentine collection, Crepe Papers La La Love, you're going to get one of the sticker sheets. So these will vary as well, but this is the one that I received. So as you can tell, lots of variation in the type of embellishments, lots to create with your pages, and so many of them cross over and you can use throughout all the different collections. And one last item I almost forgot was some washi tape from the Chamel Head in the Clouds collection. So these will vary as well, but this is the one that I received that I've made a mess of. This is the teacups. So you'll receive 1 roll of washi tape from the Head in the Clouds collection. So one more look at your January, February Shots of Life kit. If you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to click that button so that you'll be subscribed, and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when new videos are revealed. Come visit us at the Facebook group and the blog to see what the design team's creating with their kits, and join in on all the challenges that we have going each month. Thanks so much for watching.